Hello, Bishes! Good day to everyone. Hello, I'm back. Bishes, na-experience nyo na ba itong problema to? Actually, hindi siya problema. Just to secure your account in Live. So, ang sinasabi dyan, bind Facebook to continue grabbing fireworks. Tapos, bind. So, sundan nyo lang po ito, ang process na ito, at continue grabbing fireworks ka na ulit. Let's go! So, here we are. First of all, we have to go to our main profile here in Live. So, I am here in my main profile in Live. Then, let's go to the settings. Settings. We will press the settings. Then after that, as you can see on the first line, account and security. We have to press that one. Okay. As you can see, guys, my mobile number, my email address, the Google, the Facebook has been bound. Okay. So now, as a requirement, we have to bind Facebook to continue grabbing fireworks. Then let's bind. So, earlier, I bind already my Facebook, but I forgot to screenshot or screensaver on that one just to show you people. But really, I forgot, and my mobile was in dead bot. Okay, so here already in my Facebook, it was bind already and bind. Okay, so once you bind it there at that time, they will send you a verification code, get, and then complete. Just try it, guys. Just try it. Okay, then. Whoops. And lastly, don't forget to open your location in your settings. You have to open your location because Facebook and Live would like to access your location. Okay? Is it clear now? I hope everything is clear and you will never feel you will never feel in trouble again regarding grabbing the coins in fireworks. GYC. Enjoy farming, bishes! Sangry bishes! Enjoy ulit! Bye! See you on my next tutorial regarding our Live. Babush!